Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The drone community is abuzz with speculation about the much-anticipated DJI Air 4. While official details remain under wraps, rumors swirling around the web paint a picture of a drone poised to revolutionize the consumer market. Let's deeply dive into the hottest features expected in the DJI Air 4 and explore how it might redefine the landscape of aerial photography and videography. Enhanced endurance, soaring higher for longer. One of the most anticipated upgrades is a significant boost in flight time. Early rumors suggest the Air 4 could reach a staggering 50 to 55 minutes, a considerable leap from the Air 3's 46 minutes. This extended lifespan would be a game changer for creators, allowing them to capture more expansive footage and undertake ambitious projects without worrying about battery limitations. Speculations hint at intelligent power management systems that optimize battery usage based on flight conditions, further squeezing every drop of juice out of those precious cells. There's even talk of a potential shift to more efficient lithium polymer, Lipo batteries, offering higher energy density without adding weight. Image quality revolution, a 1-inch sensor to rule them all. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to boast a groundbreaking 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from previous models. This larger sensor promises to deliver superior image quality, benefiting aerial photographers and videographers. We can expect resolutions of 20 megapixels or higher, improved low-light performance, and dynamic range. Some whispers even suggest support for 10-bit color depth, unlocking a world of flexibility in post-processing for creators. Imagine capturing breathtaking night scenes with crystal clarity or manipulating colors with unparalleled precision. The possibilities are truly endless. Furthermore, rumors of an improved ISO range, potentially reaching 12,800 or even higher, would dramatically enhance low-light capabilities. Beyond the sensor, mechanical shutter, and variable aperture, the rumored inclusion of a mechanical shutter takes the Air 4 to a whole new level. This feature would significantly improve the drone's capabilities in aerial mapping and detailed photography by reducing the rolling shutter effect. Imagine capturing crisp, distortion-free images of landscapes or architectural marvels, perfect for professional applications like photogrammetry and high-speed aerial surveys. The mechanical shutter, with speeds reaching up to 1/1000s according to some rumors, would provide exceptional control over motion blur, especially beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects. Adding to the creative arsenal is the speculation of variable aperture. This would allow users to fine-tune the amount of light reaching the sensor, optimizing performance in various lighting conditions. Imagine capturing stunning photos on a bright sunny day without excessive exposure or pulling off beautiful bokeh effects with a shallow depth of field. Rumors suggest an aperture range of /2.8 to /11, giving creators significant control over both depth of field and exposure. Some enthusiasts even dream of an auto-aperture mode that dynamically adjusts based on lighting conditions, similar to high-end smartphones. The possibilities for creative expression with such a feature are truly exciting. Safety first, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and intelligent return to home. Safety remains a top priority for DJI, and the Air 4 is expected to deliver significant advancements in this area. Rumors point towards a comprehensive 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, featuring additional sensors or improved AI algorithms to detect smaller objects and provide more precise avoidance maneuvers. Imagine navigating through complex environments with complete confidence, knowing your drone can detect and avoid potential hazards. Power up your creativity, extended battery life, and intelligent features. Eagle-eyed observers might have noticed a photo hinting at a potential hot swappable battery system, or the inclusion of spare batteries as standard with the Air 4. Software advancements are also a focus, with rumors of enhanced tracking capabilities and more sophisticated autonomous flight modes. Imagine effortless subject tracking for perfect action shots, or pre-programmed flight paths for capturing stunning aerial landscapes. The possibilities are limitless. Building on a legacy, the DJI Air 3. To understand the potential impact of the Air 4, let's take a moment to appreciate its predecessor, the DJI Air 3.